Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. This is a Lenovo IdeaPad i7 and Iris graphics. Pressing the power button, dead. Let's check the customer letter. So what he's saying, no power. I hope it will be the usual capacitors on this, but nothing is getting hot at all. 90% from the emails or letters, I can only hope it will be a easy pizza, a capacitor, yeah, stuff like that. But it's never that simple. So I will say let's open before I plug in the power. It's not a gaming laptop, but it's better to check. And the laptop, it's open. Yeah, I know the motherboard. You know what? The customer can be right. We have probably like 3 or 4 videos with this specific model, and I can tell you from now, a shorted capacitor somewhere here under. So can be that problem. Battery I can see is disconnected. Let's check the main power out. It's exactly this model with this specific problem. So let me see. We are checking the main power. We have capacitor. We have electrolytic capacitors. Plus of the capacitor, 0 ohms. I can bet with you it's a capacitor somewhere here under. You wanna place a bet? Let's see. So we are coming with the power supply, ground. We need like 1 volt, little bit of current, thermal camera. So we have the thermal camera pushing current. We are pushing like 1.4 amps. And it is, right? Check there, check there, check there. You can see, check there, check there. You can see a heat mark there under the plastic. Exactly here. It's a dodgy design. Oh, lol. If I remember, it was this capacitor from the other videos. Let me see. We are pushing 1.4 amps. It is, but it's not that hot. Let me raise the current. Check there, check there. That's the one. Here somewhere, here somewhere. Okay, let's go under the microscope so we can spot the capacitor. I can't see any crack capacitor, but let me come with alcohol. So alcohol can be this one, or somewhere here. And plus, is this one right? Power on, off, on, off. You can see the alcohol is moving, you can't see. So the alcohol is moving around the capacitor. Let's try one more time. Power on, off. Yeah, you can't really see, but I can see the alcohol moving, and the capacitor got dry. You can see it. I mean, we can raise, yeah? We can raise the voltage a little bit and the current. And we are going to 4.8 amps, and now you can spot it better. So check there, power on, and you can see that capacitor got dry instantly. Power on, yeah, that capacitor, that one. Now we have a problem because here it's a connector next to this capacitor. And say hello to my little friend. And it's fixed. Do we still have short? Let's check together. So checking for short. Here is no short, here is ground. Yeah, no short. Just say something about this fault. Indeed, this is the first time I'm seeing the capacitor here. Usually it's a capacitor here. But yeah, let me try. So you see, the customer was right. It was a capacitor. And I thought, this is nearly impossible to be a capacitor. Let's plug the battery. Battery is plugged. Pressing the power. The laptop is on. Check there. We have the light on the power button. You can see it? Yeah. Let's see. Let me find a plug meanwhile. Just to check the charging. We have the plug, 19 volts. 19. Plug in the charger. We have picture. Check there. We have picture. Huh? No SSD? No. No, the customer took out the SSD. But that was the problem. Can't believe. Shutting down the laptop. And it's taking 1.4 amps, you can see, so it's charging fine. Unbelievable. A dodgy capacitor. Well, now you know if you have this problem, now you know how to fix it and how to check and where to check. See you on the next one. Bye.